What's up? This is the start of my YouTube channel, everybody watching this right now. If there's anyone watching this right now, but I hope there is. My name's Tyler Herder. I'm 23 years old. I recently graduated from the University of Arizona last December of 2017. And I just want to document my journey because kind of after college, I didn't go the traditional route, getting a 9-to-5 job. And I kind of went like my entrepreneur route, which I've always wanted to do. And I started selling products on Amazon. I'm sure you guys have heard about Amazon FBA, and that's probably why you clicked on this video right now, because that's in the title. And I just want to share with people like what I learned, like just through my experience of selling on Amazon, the positives, the negatives, the hardships I went through, the good things that happened through selling on Amazon, and just everything in between. Just document my journey and just kind of see where this whole YouTube thing can take us. What's crazy is how I learned about Amazon is I was working at a freight forwarding company my last semester of college, and this kid, we were like warehousing his stuff. So he would send his stuff over from China. We'd kind of warehouse it for him. And then he was doing FBA as well, fulfillment by Amazon. And whenever he would run out of stock in Amazon, we would repackage it. I would repackage it and send his pretty much more inventory in for him. And I never really thought much of it until one day. So the guy, little explanation, he was a 24-year-old kid from Australia, and he was selling like these cooking utensil things, and I never really understood like what he was doing and never really thought much of it. But I thought it was kind of crazy that he wasn't even in the same country and he's selling products on Amazon, blah, blah, blah. Long story short, about 2 months later, he called me and was like, hey Tyler, you're gonna be dealing with someone else now. I'm actually selling my company. It was just like too much to handle and I got a really good offer on it, blah, blah, blah. We started talking more and he told me he sold his company for $80,000 to this lady. And I was like, okay, what? I was so like shocked. I was like, what were you exactly doing? He gave me a little rundown of what was going on, how he found out about Fulfillment by Amazon. And ever since that day, I literally just like was so intrigued with the whole process and just the opportunity that was at hand. Like he wasn't even in the same country. He was running this business from his computer. Just sounded so ideal to me, almost like fake, but then I saw it was happening. Like he literally sold his company, and ever since that's kind of how I learned about Amazon FBA, and I just started researching like nonstop, watching YouTube videos, like I'm sure you're doing right now. Obviously, if you're watching this video, and just watch YouTube videos and research, read articles, everything, watch webinars, listen to podcasts for the next like 5 months, honestly. And then finally, after like 5 months, I bought Jungle Scout, did all my stuff, and found my first product. And that's how I came to launching my product it was 8.5 months ago now to this day. March 1st is when I launched my first product. And kind of ever since then, my life's kind of gone like a whole different route. And that's kind of why I'm starting this YouTube channel, because I think it's just an awesome concept that from free YouTube content and just learning this whole new trait from people that have already gone through it on YouTube, it kind of changed the course of my life in a way. And just from me, like, and everything I've learned from launching a couple products now, I just want to share kind of my experiences and my perspective on the whole thing, and just share what I've learned, and maybe I can change someone else's course of their life, because it's super beneficial. It's opened my mind to like so much thing, like just business wise, and just like the possibilities out there with online and e-commerce. Like we're living in a crazy day and age right now, and just the opportunity with it is insane. And I just want to share like my failures, the hardships I went through, but also like what I've learned and the positive things that have came out of me starting this and launching my first product, launching my second product, and my third product's actually just being shipped to Amazon right now. So I'm excited to kind of document this with you guys for myself and to just share my experiences. Hopefully people can get some value from my videos. And I'm not going to tell you guys I'm doing $1 million in sales or anything like that. I'm not like the best seller out there, because there's some awesome people to watch on YouTube, But what I do want to show, like, I have a bunch of I feel like knowledge that I want to share with people instead of just holding it in. This is free content, so if you want to watch my videos, do it. If you don't, I can recommend you to some other people that I learned from that definitely helped me. But I'm just excited to start this and kind of see where this journey can take us. But subscribe. I'll be posting a lot more content showing you guys my actual first product that I launched, the exact product. Like, I'm going to show you guys, I'm not selling it anymore, how that went from being the best product ever to not the best product and after like 6 months time, and just like what I learned from that and just what I've learned from everything. I've made mistakes, but I've also had some big successes as well, and it's just an awesome journey. It's opened my mind to so much, and I honestly, everyone should at least try it because I don't know, it's insane. But we'll just we'll see what happens with this channel, and thank you guys for watching, and subscribe, comment below what you guys want to see, and I'll see you guys in the next video.